reckon everywhere's sacred, just about. It's hard to go somewhere that's not special in Australia. The relationship between people and country has been so long and so harmonious that that's why the country still speaks. You know, you're ever walking through the bush and you really relax, birds are chirping, and you might get off track and you don't feel as good and the bush goes quiet. And that's country speaking to you. And when you get back on track, things feel good again. And that's, to me, that's your genealogical memory. That's, you're from the earth and she sings to you when you hear those songs. And
if it's not of our genealogical memory, do you think it's possible for us to learn how to listen to country?
I do. There's 3,000 generations of people who consider themselves custodians of this country. You've got to include yourself in that. You're part of that.
And how would someone like me accept that beautiful invitation and learn to listen to country?
Well, I taught you how to introduce yourself to country. Once you claim caring for it and protecting it as your culture, things will just grow from there. We don't have to turn back time. We've just got to open our eyes and our ears and our spirit. And, yeah. The country's inviting you to listen to it. The country's crying out for people to listen to it.
Well, hello, night country. I hope you don't snow. I'm from the desert.
Majestic river country. It's beautiful to have met you and to have begun listening to you. Thanks for speaking with us. I hope our conversation lasts a lifetime.